Hi there, I just wanted to pop on to show you how easy it is to use your unique digital signature in your email or your other social media campaigns. So here we go. I'm going to click on Flowdesk and show you how I like to use my unique digital signature in my emails that I send out to my subscribers. Here we go. So after I've written my email, between the text and the footer, I'm going to include a signature. So I'm going to click the plus button there. And now I'm going to click that I want to add an image here because the file that I have given you your signature in is a PNG file. So now I'm going to click here where it says upload image. I'm going to find it here in my downloads. I've named mine my signature logo quill PNG file, and I will press open. And it's downloading here, and there we go. It has appeared here. Now that's quite big. I don't want it to be that big, so I'm just going to slide the toggle over here until it's the size that I like. We'll go for around 350, and there we have it. That's how you insert your signature into your email. Now I'll show you how it can be used on your social media campaigns. So if you use Canva at all to get your posts prepared, I love to use Canva. I'll show you how it's done. I'll create a design here, create an Instagram post. I will find at the side here, they have a bunch of different templates that can be used. So I'll just scroll back here and use this template, click on it. It's a free template. I know the color of my logo is not really going to match this, so I'm just going to change the background color here. Here we go. I'll get rid of this lettering here. I'm going to move her off to the side. Maybe move her up like so. Okay, and now I want to add my signature here. So in order to do that in Canva, I'm going to scroll here on the side until I get to uploads. So I'm going to click on the upload there, and you can see my signature is already uploaded. But I'm just going to show you how to do that again. So I'll press here on upload an image or video. And here we go. There it is again. Press open, and it'll begin to download there. And it's downloading, and I'll wait for it to finish downloading. And when it's finished downloading, I'll click on it and it will appear here. And then I could size it as I like. There we go. It's finished downloading, or uploading, I should say. Okay, now I've clicked on it and it's popped over here. And there it is. I can make it bigger, smaller, move it around wherever I want. I can also use this toggle here to angle it if I wanted to. All right, here we go. And that's how to use your signature in your social media campaigns. And I'll just show you one other thing. You can also use your signature in just your regular emails that you send out to friends. So I will compose an email there to myself. Signature. Okay. Hi, Angie. Here's your signature. All right, now over here at the bottom, this is Gmail. I'm going to press insert photo. Then I don't see it here anywhere, so I'm going to press upload, choose the photo to upload, and there it is once again. I will open it up. It will download, and there it is in my email. Now that's huge, so I'm just going to shrink it down like so, maybe a little more. And there's my signature. All right, send it off. And I've received it already. And there it is. That's how simple it is to use your unique digital signature. I really hope that you're able to do it for yourself. I think you probably will be able to because it's not very hard. But if you have any problems, please feel free to contact me. You can message me below in the comments or feel free to directly email me. Have a fantastic day.